How to add new participants to WhatsApp group. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add new participants to WhatsApp group. To do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to navigate to the group chat where you would like to add new participants. Simply tap on the group chat name in order to reach to their chat page. And once you reach to this page, here now look for the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then from the drop down, here select group info option. Once you select it, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to locate this ad or the human icon in this middle row next to the video icon. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. Now you will need to scroll down in this page and find the participants. Once you find the participant that you'd like to add to your WhatsApp group, simply tap on the participant and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, a pop-up will appear at the bottom. Here, if they don't have the WhatsApp, you will need to first invite them. Simply tap on invite via SMS and then a group invitation link will be shared to them via SMS. And once they accept your invitation, they will be able to join the WhatsApp group. Also, if they already have the WhatsApp account, they will be added to the WhatsApp group directly. So by following these steps, you should be able to add new participants to WhatsApp group. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.